In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Mitsubishi air conditioner. Firstly, use the remote control to power off the unit. Press the power button until the display shuts off completely. Locate your isolation switch or circuit breaker and flip the switch off to disconnect power. If you have more than one unit, double-check your turn-in of the correct breaker. Let the system rest for at least 2 minutes. This clears the internal memory and discharges the electronic control board. After waiting, flip the breaker back on and make sure the switch is firmly in place and power is restored. Use the remote control to turn off the unit and turn it on. Wait a few moments to hear it power up and set your desired mode like temperature and fan speed. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.